Relational Database Design and the Six-Step Database Design Process. In this video, we will cover Relational Database Design, the Relational Database Design Process, and the Relational Database Design in 6 easy steps. Relational Database Design. What is a relational database? A relational database can be seen as a collection of organized and interrelated data on a related subject or topic. This data is organized into sets, relations, or tables, and each set of data may be related to another set of data. And there are rules regarding how each set of data is made up and how one set of data can be related to another set of data. What is relational database design? The word design can be used as either a noun or a verb. As a noun, it represents something tangible, and as a verb, something intangible, a process. As a noun, it represents the end product of the process, and as a verb, it refers to the process itself. The design is the end product of the design process, and is either the plan or the actual manifestation of the product or artifact you are creating or trying to create. To design is the process of creating the plan that creates the product or artifact. Relational database design, therefore, refers to the process of creating a relational database design, which is presented in the end as a crow's foot relational model diagram. The Relational Database Design Process. The 4 main stages of database development are the problem specification, the conceptual model, the implementation model, the relational database. This means that the database design process takes you through 2 different models, the conceptual model and the implementation model. Conceptual models are concerned with the logical nature of the data and what is being presented, and implementation models are concerned with the physical nature of the data and with how the data will be represented in the database. Generally, conceptual models are concerned with the user's view of the data, and implementation models are concerned with the developer's view of the data. The entity relationship model is a conceptual model, and the relational model is an implementation model. Relational database design in 6 steps. The 6-step relational database design process produces 2 conceptual model diagrams, one simple and one detailed, and an implementation model diagram. A simple ER diagram is produced after step 3, a detailed ER diagram after step 5, and a crow's foot RM diagram after step 6. Thus, 6-step relational database design is fully compatible with the 4 stages of database design and development. The 6 steps. Step 1. Discover entities and assign attributes. Step 2. Derive unary and binary relationships. Step 3. Develop a simplified entity relationship diagram. Step 4. List assertions for all relationships. Step 5. Create a detailed ER diagram using the assertions. Step 6. Transform the detailed ER diagram into an implementable RM diagram. Summary. A relational database is a collection of organized and interrelated data on a related subject or topic, and this data is organized into sets, relations, or tables. Relational database design is the process of creating a crow's foot relational model diagram. There are 4 main stages of relational database development: the problem specification, the conceptual model, the implementation model, and the relational database. The database design process takes you through two different models, the conceptual model and the implementation model. Conceptual models are concerned with the logical nature of the data and what is being represented, and implementation models are concerned with the physical nature of the data and with how the data will be represented in the database. Six-Step Relational Database Design creates a crow's foot relational model diagram in 6 easy steps. Get your copy of Six-Step Relational Database Design at Amazon.com and follow along in the book. You can also visit fidelcaptain.com/books/sixstep.html for all of the case studies used in this video series.